Welcome back to Health Bubbles. Today, we're diving into facial oils, nature's secret for youthful, radiant skin. Oils can seem intimidating, especially if you have oily skin, but the right ones can transform your routine and fight signs of aging. We'll break down 5 powerhouse oils, the science behind them, and how to use them for smoother, plumper skin. If you love real skincare backed by science, hit like and subscribe. Let's get into the good stuff. First up, rosehip oil, a true anti-aging icon. It's rich in vitamin A, retinoic acid, which boosts cell turnover and fades fine lines and dark spots. Plus, it's loaded with vitamin C for collagen production, keeping skin firm and bright. The bonus? Essential fatty acids strengthen your skin's barrier and lock in moisture. Rosehip oil is gentle, multitasking, and perfect for beginners. It's a 2-in-1 renews skin and boosts collagen. If you want visible results without harshness, this is a top pick. It's no wonder it's a skincare favorite. Next, let's talk about argan oil, a true treasure in the world of skincare. This natural wonder has gained immense popularity, and for very good reason. Often referred to as Morocco's liquid gold, it's not just a name, it's a testament to its incredible benefits and value. One of the key reasons argan oil is so revered is its high vitamin E content. This powerful vitamin acts as a potent antioxidant. It plays a crucial role in shielding skin from the damaging effects of free radicals and the everyday environmental stressors we encounter. This proactive protection translates to visible results over time. This means fewer wrinkles, improved skin tone, and better elasticity overall. But the benefits don't stop there. Argan oil is also rich in essential fatty acids, which are vital for maintaining healthy skin. These fatty acids work wonders to deeply moisturize the skin, providing intense hydration and reinforcing your skin's natural barrier. What's truly remarkable is that it hydrates without leaving behind a heavy or greasy residue. This lightweight feel makes it a fantastic choice for most skin types, from dry to oily and everything in between. Incorporate it into your daily routine to protect, nourish, and keep your skin glowing with health and vitality. It's a proactive way to prevent premature aging and maintain a youthful appearance. For a dewy, resilient complexion that radiates health, argan oil is a must-have addition to your skincare arsenal. Simple, effective, and timeless, it's a beauty secret that has stood the test of time. Let's dive into the world of natural skincare and discover a hidden gem. Now, meet jojoba oil. This incredible oil is making waves in the beauty industry, and for good reason. It's the ultimate skin mimicker, a versatile ingredient that can benefit almost everyone. It seamlessly integrates into your routine, working with your skin's natural processes. Technically, it's classified as a liquid wax, not an oil. This unique composition is what sets it apart. Its molecular structure is nearly identical to our natural sebum, the oil our skin produces. This similarity is the key to its effectiveness. This remarkable likeness means it absorbs easily and quickly, penetrating the skin without leaving a greasy residue. Best of all, it won't clog pores, making it a non-comedogenic choice. And because of its sebum-like qualities, it balances oil production, helping to regulate your skin's natural oils. Got dry skin? It hydrates and softens, providing deep moisture and relieving dryness. What about oily skin? It cleverly signals your skin to chill out, reducing excess oil production and shine. Jojoba adapts to your needs, working in harmony with your skin's unique characteristics. This adaptability makes it ideal for all skin types, from the most sensitive to the most resilient. Beyond hydration and balance, it strengthens your skin's natural barrier, protecting it from environmental stressors. Plus, it smooths fine lines, reducing the appearance of aging. And it keeps skin supple, promoting elasticity and a youthful bounce. When your skin is balanced, hydrated, and protected, it looks and feels younger, radiating a healthy glow. Jojoba oil is smart, simple, and effective, offering a multitude of benefits in one single ingredient. It's a true staple for healthy skin, a must-have in any natural beauty routine. For a truly luxurious experience, try marula oil. It's packed with essential amino acids and powerful antioxidants, helping to support both collagen and elastin production for noticeably firmer, bouncier, and more resilient skin. Its rich fatty acids deeply moisturize the skin and effectively reinforce your skin's natural barrier. The result? Skin that is plumper, smoother, and more radiant. You'll notice fewer visible lines and wrinkles. Marula oil is especially perfect for mature or dry skin types needing that extra nourishing boost. Now let's explore the wonders of pomegranate seed oil, a true treasure in the world of natural skincare. It's a regenerative powerhouse, packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can breathe new life into your skin. At its heart lies rare punicic acid, a unique omega-5 fatty acid known for its exceptional benefits. This remarkable compound calms inflammation, reducing redness and irritation, and actively stimulates new skin cell growth, promoting a youthful complexion. But the benefits don't stop there. Polyphenols in the oil, powerful antioxidants, play a crucial role in protecting your skin. They protect collagen, the structural protein that keeps skin firm, and fight free radicals, those pesky molecules that accelerate aging. By safeguarding collagen and neutralizing free radicals, pomegranate seed oil helps skin stay firm, resilient, and youthful looking. This oil is especially great for thinning or aging skin, where collagen production naturally declines and the skin becomes more vulnerable. It provides the extra support needed to maintain elasticity and combat the visible signs of aging. Beyond its protective qualities, it actively helps your skin repair itself, accelerating the healing process and minimizing damage. This leads to improved elasticity, a reduction in the appearance of wrinkles, and an overall smoother, more refined texture. Pomegranate seed oil is truly unique in its composition and its multifaceted benefits. It's potent, effective, and deserves more love and recognition in the skincare world. So consider adding it to your daily routine. Unlock its potential for a vibrant, youthful glow that radiates from within. It's a true skin revitalizer, capable of transforming your complexion and restoring its natural beauty. Don't overlook this hidden gem. Your skin will thank you for it. There you have it. 5 science-backed oils for youthful, healthy skin. Each oil offers unique benefits, so choose what fits your needs. Always patch test before using a new oil to avoid irritation. Let me know in the comments which oil you're excited to try. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more skincare tips. See you next time.